Hey, thanks for tuning in today. I'm going to show you how to add the tracking code for Google Analytics to your WordPress site. So if you go in and log into analytics.google.com or adwords.google.com, and go to your analytics page, select the website that you'd like to work on. In this middle section, property. So actually, if you weren't here first, this is in the settings section, that little gear icon behind my picture there. Click on tracking info. We'll go down to tracking code. And basically this is our global site tag. It's going to track everything that happens on our website. So we're going to go in the header section. So not before, not after, right in the middle. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go over to my WordPress site. Go down to theme or appearance and then theme editor. So I'll go ahead and redo it for you. Theme editor. So it's loading right now. Now this is slightly advanced. I don't see it too advanced, but if you copy and paste the code in the wrong section, you will mess up your code. So you might want to make a copy or a child theme. So I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down to header. That way we can place the code once. There's also a couple plugins I'm sure that would work, but to me this isn't that hard. So you can do like an Apple F if you want and look up head. So we've got a bunch right here. So we're just go after this main one. I'm just going to space down, Command V, which is paste it on a MacBook, and you've got your global site tag right here for Google Analytics. Then you go down and you click Update File. It takes a little bit to load, and then you should see a upload successful right there. File edited successfully. So we'll go back to our Google Analytics section, and right here there's where the code is. There's also the send test traffic. So here's our tracking ID, and let's go ahead and send test traffic. So this is going to click track marketing. If you don't see, okay, so it takes about 24 hours. So we'll come back to this video tomorrow and I'll try that again. All right, we're back. It's about 24 hours later. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh the analytics page and see if we can see any site visitors. So it looks like there are 2 active visitors right now. So the code's working perfectly. If this worked out for your website and you thought this video was useful, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.